That one can take about 15.
15. That one, okay. And what's about this?
This is 25.
25 people. 25 people yacht now.
Okay. Alright, great. Great. Alright, great.
Show you the front deck also. You can go on the front deck.
Alright, not a problem.
It's 25 seater yacht.
रूम भी है सर नीचे।
Room bhi hai?
हाँ। Full room।
Come with me. Excuse me, just hold it please.
Yes।
Hi guys, it's a room. How many rooms there in this yacht?
Yes।
कितने rooms हैं इस yacht में?
4।
4 room yacht, 25 seater. It's a beautiful, comfortable room. I'll show you rest of the place. Come this way. Here's the another twin bedroom in this yacht. Washroom, toilet.
इधर।
Okay. ये क्या है ये? What is this?
वो भी बेडरूम है। वो भी बेडरूम है।
Okay, lock है ना? It's okay, no problem.
इधर है सर, और नीचे।
4 room. Wow, it's beautiful.
ये टॉयलेट।
Okay.
ये लॉक किया लगा।
No problem. Let's go.
लाइट का भी मतलब अभी की जो बात है।
It's a very lavish, posh yacht, you can say. Please, please. I can share.
That is to the front deck.
Okay. Should I go? It's a beautiful 25 seater. Wow, it's lavish, fully white. It's looking really awesome. Really, it's looking awesome.
Good experience. It's a decent size. You can make them beds here. Beds are just large. The thing is bed. Yeah, it's a sheets का.
It's nice, huh?
Very
Beautiful.
the biggest in Goa. Now there's nothing bigger than this. It's beautiful. Hello.
Hello.